Good morning, everyone. This is my blog. Like and share and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Time check. 4:04. Maaga ako ngayon umalis. So, today is Monday. 29th of September, everyone. Malam pala gabi. Weather today is 8. Naku, na-exi yung jacket ko kaya malamig sa hita. So, bukas din na naman. So, yun lang everyone. Update later again. See you after 6 hours. Or 5 hours, I think. Bye at the moment. Maayong buntag sa tanan and God bless always. Mali ang aking nasuot na jacket na pandamig. Kailangan niyang mahaba hanggang tuhod or hanggang hita para hindi na malamigan yung hita. So, everyone. Take the bus. 52. Going home. Hindi ako nakapag BG ng breakfast namin. It's just because I am late on the first bus. So that's it, everyone. Home sweet home, everyone. Kung ano ba sila. Magandang tanghali. Happy tummy for the lunch. It's lunch time, everyone, while watching YouTube. Kakatapos ko lang magpahinanay, kaya yan ang sabukot. Hindi siya kasi na liguan ng Sabado at Linggo. Kaya ayun, ngayon lang siya napaliguan. That's cute. Good way. Good afternoon, everyone. It's 3:27. Pasok tayo. Update sa weather natin. Nagtago si Haring Araw. Ayan na. May araw ngayon pero nagtago siya kaya malamig ang Tapos, unlike 18. Unlike kaninang umaga is 8 degrees. Diba? So, that's it, everyone. Ay, ganyan lang ang ngayon, update kasi yan, hindi naman malamig ng todo. May hangin lang, pero masarap sa pakiramdam. That's it, everyone. See you later after 2 trains and 5 minutes walk. Ayan na si Haring Araw. Oh, sumikat. Sumikat na siya. Ayan, everyone, ganito sa UK. Si Haring Araw sumisikat pag pagabi na. Oh, you see? Natakpan na naman. Kasi maulap. Grabe. So, ayan, oh. Ang ganda ng ulap, di ba? Ayan siya, everyone. Hello, the sky is the, yeah. Time check, 15:36 everyone. The train is already here, my first train. So, update tayo. Dito ka. Second train, everyone. Oh, hi. At update everyone.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is Finchley Road.
Thank you.
This is Metropolitan Line train to Aldgate. The next station is Baker Street.
Sa makayos na upuan. I'm way out. The last, destination. Time check, 16. Early pa rin, everyone. So, come and let's top up the way out, everyone. See you later. When I see you, everyone. I'm in. I'm in, everyone. Sa higher education. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Salad tayo sa gabi. Dahil hindi nagluto ng ulam. May ulam pa kasi kanina. Inubos ko muna yung isda. So, that's it, everyone. Good night, God bless, and I love you all. Happy tummy, everyone.